I am Dr. Abhijit Kulkarni, consultant brain and spine surgeon, currently working at Reliance Hospital, Navi Mumbai. So, brain tumor is a term used to identify any sort of space occupying lesion or any tumor which occurs anywhere in the brain. It might be either benign or non-cancerous or malignant, that is cancerous tumor. The entire gamut of all these tumors comes under the broad terminology of brain tumor. So, the symptoms of brain tumors would depend on the size as well as the site of the tumor in the brain. The most common symptom probably would be continuous severe headache in any patient. New onset of seizures or fits in any patient should raise a suspicion whether the patient is having a tumor inside his brain. Some or the other form of neurological deficit could also be a symptom of brain tumor, as in weakness on one side of the body, sudden onset weakness in the hand or in the lower limbs, etc. Also, depending on the site of the tumor in the brain, there could be certain symptoms. As in, if the tumor occurs in the speech area, then the patient could have difficulty in speech, which is called as aphasia or dysphasia. Also, if the tumor occurs in the visual area, then the patient would have symptoms in vision. Similarly, if the tumor is occurring in an area which is close to certain eloquent areas, then as the tumor grows, it might cause pressure over those areas and lead to symptoms. As in, a pituitary tumor which occurs in the cellar floor, as it grows big, it starts compressing on the optic chiasm inside the brain and then leads to loss of peripheral vision. So the symptoms of brain tumor are very varied and vast, and you should always consult a neurosurgeon if you have any of the above mentioned symptoms which I told you. So depending on what type of tumor, whether it is benign, cancerous, the treatment option varies. But broadly speaking, almost all tumors upfront require a biopsy to confirm what type of tumor it is. Inside the brain, we cannot just poke in a needle to obtain a biopsy specimen. So for most of the tumors, a craniotomy or opening of the skull and going inside the brain and removing either completely or partially the tumor is undertaken as the first step. With this, we come to know what type of tumor it is on the basis of histopathology. If it is a benign tumor and we have managed to remove it completely, then no further treatment is required and the patient is cured. In cases of cancerous tumors, depending on the grade of the tumor, whether it is low grade or high grade, further treatment options are indicated. As in cases of high grade tumors, whole brain radiation or oral chemotherapy in the form of temozolomide can be advised to the patient in the post-operative period in order to increase his prognosis and lifespan. As I already told you, it depends on what type of tumor it is, whether it is benign or malignant. Benign tumors have very good prognosis if we are able to excise this completely and the patient can lead a near normal life after excision of the tumor. In cases of malignant tumors, low grade tumors still have a very good prognosis, as in the recurrence of the tumors, even though it occurs, might take a long time and patients do very well for 10, 15, 20 years depending on what type of tumor it is. Unfortunately, in high grade tumors, the relapse or the recurrence of the tumor occurs faster. In cases of last stage or grade 4 tumors, which are like glioblastomas, even after radiation and chemotherapy, the overall prognosis is around 1.5 to 2 years in the best of medical care. So, most of the tumors which are benign have very good prognosis, and cancerous or malignant tumors, the prognosis will depend on what type, on what stage of tumor the patient is in. Thank you.